This section is great for creators who either have a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel, or for those who just want to add voices to videos in general. Click on the play button in the middle and the video will be uploaded. Name the project and then click Create Voiceover. On the next screen we have the video and we have a timeline. Now it's time to add the voiceover. I'm going to copy and paste some text and click Generate Audio. Let's play it.
Hey, the waves are looking perfect today.
This one is okay. And again, if I didn't like the way that it was pronounced, there's a very small regenerate button in this WAV file on the timeline that if you click on it, it'll regenerate the clip. And to change the voice, there's a gear icon on the left. Click on it. You'll again be provided with options to change the voice and of course change stability and similarity. You'll notice after changing the voice, the regenerate button has changed to stale. All this means is that we just need to regenerate the clip again because we've changed the voice. But let's say you had multiple voices and multiple tracks lined up in the timeline and you had to go ahead and change in every single clip. Instead of going in and clicking the stale button on each individual WAV file, in the bottom right there is a Generate State Audio button. If you click that, it will regenerate all the clips at the same time. If you wanted to move the voiceover around, you can click on it and drag it in the timeline. If you wanted to trim it, there's a trim button. You can shorten it, you can expand it, but let's go ahead and add another speaker. So to do this, we're going to click Add Voiceover Track. It'll add a second line, and then you'll notice my cursor is highlighted in green. If I click on it, it'll add another box. Let's add more text, and then we'll hit Generate Audio.
Hey, the waves are looking perfect today.
Absolutely. Let's run to the ocean and catch some big ones.
If you wanted the first speaker to continue talking, again, you just click with your cursor, highlight it in green, and then add it at the end, and it'll add another box and you can continue with the text. Let's now add some sound effects. At the bottom, there's an Add FX track. Click on it. We're going to click in again on the timeline, and then we're going to add in ocean waves. Generate. Let's take this clip and let's extend it in full, and we're going to lower the volume a little bit so it doesn't overpower the speaking. Bring this back to the beginning and play it.
Hey, the waves are looking perfect today.
Absolutely. Let's run to the ocean and catch some big ones.
The other option is to add audio, and you can upload an audio file or music. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish this project. I'm going to add in some 1960s surfer music that I will create in Udio and come back. I've got the project completed. We've got our voiceovers, we have our sound effects, and we have the music in the timeline at the top. To download this, we're going to click on Export. You can go with the default, which is MP4, but if you click on it, there's also an AAF timeline data option. What this will give you the ability to do, you can then upload it to the video editor of your choice and continue editing further. Let me play you the final version.
Hey, the waves are looking perfect today.
Absolutely. Let's run to the ocean and catch some big ones.
I'm on it. First one to the surfboards gets the best spot.